Hi children, good morning. What is an equation? Today I am going to explain this concept. What is an equation? Already you know that expressions, how to form expressions. Okay. See here children, equation, see here number of L's formed. 1 L, how many mastics required? 2. 2L 4, 3L 6, 4L 8, 5L 10, 6L 12, 7L 14, 8L 16. Okay, understand? Next, last equation is form, expression is 2n, because of in between these two L's, two differences up to n L to n. Understand? Rule is 2n. Okay. What is an equation? Okay. See here children. Some expressions are there. Some formations are there. An equation like the above. One equation is there. X minus 3 is there. That condition on variable. Here x is variable. Yes, it is satisfied only for a definite value of variable. See here children. See here. X minus 3 is one equation. Is complete equation is equal to 0. Variable with equal equations and one operation and value, definite value you have to find variable satisfy the only for definite value of the variable, that is the equation. See here children, x minus 3 equal to 0, one equation is there. Okay, x value is minus 3 comes this side plus 3. Okay, 0 plus 3. Understand? Sign change. Okay, x equal to value is 0 plus 3, 3. X value equal to 3. Yes, variable value is 3. So, this equation is satisfied. Understand? An equation like the is condition on variable, it is satisfied only for the definite value of variable. Okay, understand children? See here children, some examples are there. See here this equation heading you have to write equation and write definition up to here. Okay, for example, see here children, x plus 20 is there equal to 70. Okay, x plus 20 equal to 70. You have to find the variable value. Okay, x equal to, this number comes this side, negative 70 minus 20. Okay, plus comes this side, minus, dividing comes this side, multiplication, minus comes this side, plus. Okay, multiplication comes this side, dividing. Understand children? Okay, next x equal to 70 minus 20, 50. X value you find, x value, accurate value you find, that is only answer, and this equation is satisfied. Understand children? This is an equation. Understand? Okay, I hope you understand these problems. Once again you clarify your answers. And solution of an equation. Next concept, solution of an equation. Okay, write this heading, solution of an equation, and see here children, the value of variable in an equation which satisfy the equation is called an solution of the equation. Understand? The value of the variable in an equation which satisfies the equation is called a solution of the equation. Understand children? write this definition up to here. Okay. Some examples are there, children. I solved here. Equation number 1. See here. First one, x plus 10 equal to 30. Okay. See here, children. Up to here, some values they find. You have to find the x value. This one is correct, this one is correct. Which one is correct? You have to write correct answer, yes or no. Okay. See here, first you have to find the x variable value. X equal to 30 plus 10 comes this side minus 10. Okay. X equal to 20. Understand? X value is 20. See children, which one is correct? Third one is correct answer. X is 30. No. X equal to 10. No. Wrong answer. Understand children? Okay. Next one. P minus 3. P minus 3. P minus 3 equal to 7. P minus 3 equal to 7 is there. P value we have to find. P equal to minus 3 comes this side plus 3. P equal to 10. Which one is correct answer? Here up to 3 values they given. Third one is correct answer. Sixth one. P equal to 10 is correct answer. Remaining are wrong. Understand children? Okay. Next, seventh one, see here. 3n. Seventh one. 3n equal to 21. Yes. They given two values. N values. First you have to find the n values. Here multiplication is there. Comes this side dividing. N equal to 21 divided by 3. Multiplication is there, comes this side dividing. Here positive is there, comes this side negative. Okay. See here n equal to 21 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 sevens are. Okay. N value is equal to 7. Understand children? Which one is correct answer? N equal to 7 is correct answer. This is wrong answer. Understand? Next one, t divided by 5 equal to 4. T divided by 5 equal to 4. Okay, here dividing is there. Comes this side multiplication. Okay, sign change only. Dividing is there, comes this side multiplication. 4 into 5. T equal to value 20. 4 5s are 20. Which is correct answer? This one is correct answer. This is wrong. Understand children? I hope you understand this table. Okay, remaining one more problem is there. 2l plus 3 equal to 7. Okay. See here. 2l. First you have to find the L values. First you have to take this number. Okay, 2l as it is you put. Okay, this number comes this side negative minus 3. 2l as it is you put. Minus 7 minus 3 plus 3 comes this side minus 3. 7 minus 3 4. Okay. Next, multiplication is there. After you have to take this number. Okay. Multiplication is there. Comes this side dividing. 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Understand children? L equal to value 2. Which is correct answer? Last one is correct answer. Remaining wrong. Okay. This type you have to solve and put answer. Which is correct answer? Yes or no? You have to write. Complete today only this complete today this table only. Okay. write solution of an equation. An equation definitions first you have to write. After you have to write table first. Downside you have to solve one by one, which is correct answer you have to write here table, in table, yes or no. Okay, which is correct answer. First you have to solve, clarify your answers. Okay, thank you.